Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make raw organic sauerkraut. First, gather your ingredients: 1 medium organic green cabbage, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, and about 1/4 cup of non-chlorinated water. You'll also need a clean 1-quart glass jar and a fermentation weight or a small, clean plate. This simple recipe yields a nutritious and flavorful fermented food that's packed with beneficial probiotics. Let's get started on this easy and rewarding process. Now, let's prepare the cabbage. Start by removing any bruised outer leaves from your organic cabbage. Then, cut the cabbage into quarters and remove the tough core. Using a sharp knife or a mandolin, finely shred the cabbage into thin strips. Place all the shredded cabbage into a large, clean mixing bowl. This fine shredding is crucial for proper fermentation, allowing the salt to penetrate evenly and draw out the necessary liquid. Next, we'll add the salt and pack the jar. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sea salt over the shredded cabbage in the bowl. Now, with clean hands, massage the cabbage vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice the cabbage softening and releasing a significant amount of liquid. This brine is essential. Tightly pack the cabbage and its liquid into your 1-quart glass jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets and ensure the cabbage is completely submerged. Finally, let's talk about fermentation and storage. Place a fermentation weight or a small, clean plate on top of the packed cabbage to keep it submerged under the brine. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth. Allow it to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 10 days. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer it to the refrigerator, where it will last for several months. Enjoy your homemade, probiotic-rich sauerkraut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.